Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then whenever we are in those general section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the languages and tap on system languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all kind of currently used languages we've got only English. So let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one. Simply tap on it. Sometimes you can pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, our language immediately appears on the list. However, in my case, the English is still a main one. So we have to reorder the languages because the one on the first position is set. So let me tap on it and hold it. And now we can freely drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you if you want to change the system language. So simply tap on change. And as you can see, immediately the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. So basically, this section is kind of like a shortcut to the languages which you are using frequently. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list, of course. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language you want to delete and trash bin icon. Confirm it. And we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.